Is your debt causing you sleepless nights? Knock your debt out with Debt KO. And your debt won't be the only thing keeping you up at night. Debt KO, free, impartial advice on all your debt.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the November 21st Alexander Povetkin versus Dillian Whyte rematch has been cancelled / postponed as Povetkin has tested positive for COVID-19. So, Matchroom are desperately searching the universe for a heavyweight that is pay-per-view worthy and is in shape for 12 rounds and is ranked high enough. Options are limited, but Derek Chisora has just had a fight on Saturday. Completely unscathed, hands are good, no marks on his face. He's ready to go, and he's ready to go for that third fight for the fans. He's ready to fight anyone for the fans, and if the fans want to see him in 2.5 weeks have a trilogy with Dillian Whyte, he's good to go. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'm a bit biased. I've been hanging around Derek a little too long, maybe. I want to see the fight as a fan, as a manager. Derek wants to fight as he just wants to fight anyone that the fans want. So you guys let me know what you think.
Is your debt causing you sleepless nights? Knock your debt out with Debt KO. And your debt won't be the only thing keeping you up at night. Debt KO, free, impartial advice on all your debt.